Hello guys, it's very good news for you for these days until the Labor Day. All these offers are for my training discounts till the 4th of September midnight. It means on Tuesday at midnight after the Labor Day, all these discounts will change. Now we begin with the first one. I understand there are a lot of people who know, but there are new guys who don't know. And even for those who know my training, my subscription, and my direct training, I will give a general introduction with discounts. The first thing that you can save a lot is the golden subscription. It has 13 training for free. What does it mean? It means instead of ordering this number 3, which is training levels by videos or by ebooks, you can just subscribe and then you will get this 13 training for free. Okay, so you will watch them and you will see all the hundreds of videos of training and plus the other stuff. Now, plus we have the weekly search and lessons, okay, covering the 20 training together. Now, what does it mean this? For those who don't know, what does it mean? It means you will get the 13 training levels for free. Plus, you have the weekly search. I do always a search on Friday, and I will show you how to search for stocks, and I give you the criteria, and we discuss this always in the weekend. Now, you can ask questions for the whole 20 training that I have, okay? And I will put each week some lessons covering whatever questions or whatever training the students ask. Now, this is for $55 per month. Now, understand that the golden subscription will not be available after the 4th of July. It means the 5th of July, this training will not be available to subscribe. Okay, it will not be available after the 4th of September. So anyone who doesn't subscribe until the 4th of September, this golden subscription will not be available because it has a very big discount. That's why I say the biggest discount is 13 training for free. So that's why it is just for my students, my real students, or those who are really interested to follow me. Okay? Now the second one is called silver subscription. It has 5 training for free, plus the weekly search, plus lessons covering 5 training about search. It means if you opt to do this, now what do you get? You get 5 training, and all this training show you all the strategies how to search for stock, how to find the stock, okay? And it means the momentum. It's 25 per month, and this will stay always. In my website, you can find it silver subscription. But as I told you, the golden subscription will not be available after the 4th of September. Now, for all the guys who are not interested in the golden subscription or silver subscription, and they want just to get to know my strategies, you can order these training levels by videos, and there is 75%, which is the highest discount I give for this training. Now, if you want the ebooks instead, you will find 80% discount, okay? And this are available, and this training by videos, this will change. The discount is only until the 4th of September midnight. Now, the good thing for you guys, those who are interested to learn from me directly, which is one by one using Skype, This is called directed training. I give you an offer like before. It's $1,500 for 6 hours of instruction. You will know all the strategies that I use in order how to buy a stock, how to put stop loss, how to follow the trend, money management, and account management. All these things will be in this directed training. So if you want to, please check my email, and because this is as a private and it is done by Skype, so you should send me an email, and then I will we will begin to do this training. So all these offers will end on the 4th of September. So after the 4th of September, the discount will change. The golden subscription will not be available anymore for other people other than those who subscribe right now until the 4th of September. I just give you time because a lot of people maybe they don't see the video, and I just give you time because today is Friday. So you have a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So you have 5 days to decide if you want to. Now, if you don't want any training or any training, you just watch my videos and you will get free training. So always send me an email, and my email, you find it in the description of the video. As always, any video you find my email. Send me an email for whatever question you have, and thank you very much, and hope you get a very good weekend with the Labor Day. Tomorrow I will have the live session at 10 o'clock, so I will send notifications. So please, if you are free to attend, the free live session. Last week we did it on Friday at 10. This week also I will do it at 10 o'clock on Friday. It means today at 10 o'clock. So if you have time, please join us. If you have questions, please ask. And thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.